I'm going to show you how to start using GovernRent.com to become more organized in your rental business and how to have your data easily accessible at any time. I'm Christina, 12-year landlord and co-founder of GovernRent.com. In this video, I will show you how to create a GovernRent.com account, how to sign in, install the app, and how to pin the app to your taskbar for easy access. So to get started, you will need to create a username. You will need an active email address that you can enter. And you will need to create your own password. I do not want to receive special news and offers, but I do want to take a look at the terms and conditions. I strongly suggest that when you register for the account, you do take a look at those. So I have successfully created my account. I'm not going to save the password because I do want to show you how to manually log in. Okay, so this is the landing page as if I had not just been logged in. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my information. And here we are at the homepage of GovernRent.com. Now I will show you how to install the app if you are using Chrome. In your address bar, there's a plus sign with a circle around it. And if you mouse over that, it says Install GovernRent. Go ahead and click on that and then click on Install. I'm going to now close these two windows. And as you can see, I now have an icon for GovernRent.com on my desktop. If I drag that down to my taskbar, it will pin it, which means I can now single click on that icon and it will bring up GovernRent.com. Thank you so much for watching my first video about GovernRent.com, and we look forward to showing you more about it.